Alright, remove that. Wasn't too hard. Like I said, just remove those 2 bolts right here and right here. And then this just kind of came off. And then, see, it went under. I had to pull this wire up and then kind of feed it through. So yeah, just make sure this comes back under this wire again. What I'm gonna have to do is unscrew this right here and remove this. Yeah, because then I can kind of move this over and then get to that ball joint down there. I'll show the ball joint once I've gotten this out of the way. But yeah, I think I'm gonna need a 36 mic socket for this. So, oh yeah, and then I also have to take off this tie rod again.